Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a vloggy style morning cleaning routine, something that I do sort of like on a midweek weekday morning. And so you'll see me, you can see Levi in the background peeking around like a goofball. So you'll see me doing some things that I do kind of every morning after I drop Levi off at school, and I'm going to have music and also some voiceover in there. Sorry, this is like looking really awkward with me filming this because the camera is really heavy. Anyway, so let's just get started. If you want to see what I do on a weekday morning, then just keep watching. Alright guys, welcome to my first cleaning video. Please go easy on me. It's my first time trying something like this, and I'm definitely not as good at it as a lot of the other people here are. I'm gonna start off by unloading my dishwasher, and then I'll load it back up again, and I'm going to kind of clean the area around my sink too. On days when I'm lucky and I end up with extra time doing this, I will clean my other counters. That only happens like a couple times a week probably. So this is not one of those days, so I'll just be cleaning one of the counters. This was so sad. Axel was behind me and he was so frustrated trying to put his little shoe on. I didn't even know it until I watched the footage back. Poor little guy. And next I'm just going to take a Clorox wipe or two and go ahead and just disinfect my sink area. I don't do this every day by any means. I pretty much only do this extreme of disinfecting when I've cooked with raw meat or something like that. So on this day I must have done like a crock pot situation and had raw meat going or something. That's really the only time that I do the Clorox. Most of the time I will just clean my sink in a more laid back way. But I'm kind of a germ freak, and so I definitely want those raw meat germs gone when they are happening. And next for my laundry, I usually start a load of laundry, and if I have time I will switch it over and start another one before going out to run errands. I love my washing machine. It is a top loader. It's one of those really stripped down, really basic ones, and these, I swear you guys, work the best. I had a fancy front loader when we first moved in here, and it was a piece of junk, guys. I'm never getting front loader again. I want to get these super old, like, nothing ones because they work so much better and they last so much longer. Next, I usually move into my bathroom and just kind of do like a little wipe down. I don't clean like the toilet every single day just because the stuff I use on the toilet I feel like works pretty well and it doesn't seem gross every day. So I do focus on kind of like the sink area and the mirror and everything. We have a really small bathroom, so there's not a whole lot to it. And I will just fold the load of laundry that I had done the night before too, just to get everything moving. much it for the immediate morning. I usually do another small routine in the afternoon and I get a little bit more done around the house. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will be back soon with more videos. Bye!